Hi students, my name's Fehn. I'm part of the online team of the Flash Forward Incubator program. And today I'm going to talk to you about how to take a really good self-portrait using very little. Anything you need, you can find right at home. So the first thing that we want to do is find a clear background. Something with a little bit of texture or a plain white wall, nothing too busy. Let's look around our homes and see what we can find. Secondly, if you're using your phone, go to the camera app, and if you have portrait mode, click on that and turn the camera so it's facing you and you can see your image reflected on your phone screen. Otherwise, if you're using your digital camera, I'd suggest using a tripod or stacking up some books or putting your camera on a shelf and going to the timer mode so that you can give yourself some time to set up your shot, click the shutter, and then run in place. An important tip for when you're shooting a self-portrait is to make sure there's negative space around you so that you can crop in later. When you're focusing with your digital camera, use autofocus first to get the general plane in focus, and then if you can use a family member or a large object, place it at the same height that you'll be sitting, and fine-tune the manual focus before you take your image. Hit the button on your camera, and you'll have 10 seconds to run in place and sit and pose the way that you think showcases and reflects yourself the best. Make sure to compose yourself in a way that feels comfortable or looks interesting to you. I'd suggest taking at least 3 or 4 images and choosing your favorite. When you're done, make sure that the image is high res and send it to us via email. Can't wait to see all your photos!